Most people don't quit their jobs because they hate working. They quit because something slowly breaks inside them first. In this video, we are sharing 3 signs you should quit your job. Sign 1. Your job is damaging your health. One of the strongest signs you should quit your job is when it begins to harm your mental or physical health. Stress is normal in any role, but constant exhaustion, anxiety, or emotional burnout is not. If you wake up tired every day, feel irritated for no clear reason, or struggle to disconnect even after work hours, your body is sending you a warning. Over time, chronic stress can lead to serious issues like sleep problems, high blood pressure, poor focus, and weakened immunity. Many people normalize this pain because it feels responsible to keep going, but long-term damage often shows up later. When your job drains all your energy, the rest of your life starts shrinking. You stop exercising, skip social time, and lose interest in hobbies that once mattered. This is dangerous because work should support your life, not consume it completely. Productivity also suffers when health declines, which can put your job at risk anyway. Ironically, staying too long in an unhealthy role can reduce performance and future opportunities. A healthy job should challenge you, not trap you in a cycle of burnout. When your well-being is consistently sacrificed, quitting is not weakness, it is self-preservation. Sign 2. You are stuck with no growth or future. Another clear sign you should quit your job is when there is no growth, no learning, and no visible future. If your role looks exactly the same year after year, with the same tasks, same pay, and same frustrations, your career may be stalled. In today's economy, skills matter more than titles. When you stop learning, you slowly lose competitiveness in the job market. This often happens quietly, so people don't notice until it is too late. A good job should offer at least one of 3 things: strong income, skill development, or future opportunity. If your job offers none of these, staying becomes risky. Many people remain because the work feels familiar, but familiarity is not progress. Over time, this leads to frustration, low motivation, and declining confidence. You may start doubting your abilities, even though the real issue is lack of opportunity. Growth is not only about promotions. It can be learning new systems, gaining leadership exposure, or building valuable experience. When your job stops investing in you, your future earning potential suffers. Quitting a stagnant role can feel scary, but staying too long can quietly limit your career for years. Sometimes the most responsible move is to step away and choose growth over comfort. Sign 3. Your values and workplace no longer align. The third sign you should quit your job is when your values no longer align with your workplace. This often starts small. You feel uncomfortable with decisions leadership makes. Ethics are ignored. Promises are broken. Over time, this creates inner conflict. When you are forced to compromise your values regularly, motivation drops and resentment grows. You may still perform your tasks, but the sense of purpose disappears. Feeling disrespected or unheard is another major red flag. If your ideas are dismissed, boundaries are ignored, or your time is not respected, confidence slowly erodes. Many professionals stay because they fear starting over. But staying in an environment that does not respect you has a hidden cost. It affects how you see yourself and what you believe you deserve. Work takes up a large part of life. When your job constantly makes you feel small, replaceable, or morally uncomfortable, it drains emotional energy. Alignment matters more than most people realize. When values match, work feels meaningful. When they don't, every day feels heavy. Quitting in this situation is not about running away. It is about choosing an environment where you can work with integrity, confidence, and long-term satisfaction.